In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel subscriptions on Genspark AI Desktop. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can cancel your plan quickly and confidently. This is a simple task, but it helps to know exactly where each option is located before you begin. Start by opening your browser and going to a search page for Genspark AI. Once the results appear, click on the listing for Genspark, labeled as your all-in-one AI workspace. That will take you to the main Genspark site. After the site loads, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This opens the account area where you'll find settings related to your plan and billing. From that menu, click on Manage Plan. This section is where Genspark keeps the controls for your subscription, so if you're looking to make any billing changes, this is the place to go. Once you're inside the plan management area, find and click the Manage dropdown. This usually reveals additional actions related to your active subscription. If you don't see it right away, give the page a second to fully load and then check again carefully. Next, click on Cancel Subscription. This is the option that begins the cancellation process. In many cases, platforms include a confirmation step here to make sure the cancellation is intentional, so don't be surprised if you see an extra prompt. Finally, click Continue with Cancel to confirm your choice. After that, your cancellation request should be submitted. It's a good idea to read any confirmation message on the screen so you understand when your access will end and whether your plan remains active until the current billing period is over. And that's how to cancel subscriptions on Genspark AI Desktop.